Because we are at that stage from I'm not a baby anymore, I need to start doing more for myself.
Yeah.
I'm afraid these are not. So kick it with your left leg. Good. Very good. Kick. Good. Hells, you just do the log up to the palisade and then up to the bank.
Okay.
Give her an easy for a bit.
Okay.
Let's just give her an easy now, yeah? Okay, Zoe. Actually, these two are very similar. They'll naturally get huge. Somebody else is away, or horses are ill, or whatever it might be.
You taking your diary to Kirriemuir?
I've got a diary here.
I've got mine.
Good. Well, let's sort something out before we go. Good girl. So you come round, you sit up, you sit in the saddle, your legs say, go! Lovely. Pat, in the saddle and your legs are rest of there. Good girl. Now the big to give you a lead over the little Trakehner the first time. Hold. Hold. Good. Pat. Lovely. Lovely, fine. Lovely. Very good riding. Put your leg on. Yeah. 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 Bobby riding. Patter. There you go. Feel it. Yeah. Let go. Yeah. Train now, let go. Better.